Stop what you're doing, come rock with your girl, come rock with your girl, Auntie C. What it do, what it be, Juicy Crew, and it's your girl, Auntie C, and she back with another vloggy vlog. Um, we over here in the park. We're over here in the park where the sand castle is. The kids are over there. They're in the kitchen. Miss Symphony is in the kitchen. And where is Kyron? You see his little head right there. Mr. Kyron is over there. This is the kitchen. And them being in the kitchen. They are cooking me dinner. I said dinner, not dinner. I said dinner. They cooking me dinner. What are y'all cooking me for dinner over there?
I don't know yet.
You don't know what you're about to cook?
I haven't thought about it, but I'm thinking I was making pancakes and maybe some chicken.
Oh, you're gonna make some chicken too. So what kind of chicken are you gonna make? Are you baking me some chicken? You frying me some chicken? You baking me some barbecue chicken? Some honey mustard chicken? Some garlic chicken? Girl, what you hooking me up with?
I'm gonna do fried chicken.
Oh, she gonna do fried chicken. Well, I would love some fried chicken with some potato salad and some green beans. That sounds good to me.
I mean, I don't know how I'm supposed to make potato salad and green beans.
Why? Green beans, all you gotta do is put a little bit of minced garlic up in there, girl. Some.
You can't make that out of fish.
What do you mean? This is the imaginary kitchen. You can make whatever you want to make out there.
It's just ant.
Excuse me, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. That's enough, sir. Hey, sir. No need, sir.
The ant.
Hey, sir. Hey, sir. I thought y'all supposed to be cooking. Kyron, look. 1, 2. Stop. Cook me some food, I said. I want some potato salad. I want some chicken. And I want some green beans.
You can make the potatoes. I'm gonna make green beans and chicken.
Go ahead, Kyron. You need potatoes. You need eggs.
What? Things flying in the air. Never mind, I think that's a spider. Oh, heck no! I don't like spiders. I hate spiders.
I know that's right. I don't like them either. I know they nature's God's creatures. They're all God's creatures, but whoa, I'm tripping.
I don't hate spiders. I like spiders. Okay, let's make green beans.
Yeah, hook them green beans up, girl. I need some minced garlic in those green beans. I need a little bit of butter in there.
Let me go get some butter and green beans.
I need you to cut up some onions and put them up in there for me.
Alright, let me go get some stuff for
And a little bit of chicken bouillon.
I'm gonna get the stuff for that.
Okay, girl, go ahead with your bad self. All right. All right now. Go ahead, girl.
I'll use this. Oh my gosh, what is that? I have no idea what that is. And I don't want to know. That thing over there right now, right here. They use this for the garlic and all the other stuff.
They think they doing something. They really think they doing something, y'all. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Okay, fine. Alright.
What's that supposed to be? Skateboard.
No, it's a cooking board that you can throw. Okay.
It's got things on the back of it, thing for you to put it on your back. Or no, you put it on the front of you. It's a shield. That's what it is. That's why the black things is on the back of it.
If you play like something called Knights. Let me put some stuff in there that you wanted in there. Alright. Put that all in there. Wash it. Now wait for it to cook and now I'm gonna go to the chicken. We can't go to the chicken anymore because look, we have to. Yeah, but we still can go to the sandbox for more.
You going to get some salt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let me check on the green beans.
Oh, that's what's up. I see you ain't need a lot of it, yeah, because you only sprinkle a little bit of that salt on there, buddy.
Alright. I could make some strawberries for the side. You want strawberries as the side?
No, I don't want no strawberries. Thank you very much. I can eat strawberries. You can cook me some strawberries in the morning for breakfast.
Okay.
Well, you can't cook me none, but you can. I'll take strawberries in the morning for breakfast.
For fake?
This is what are y'all doing over there?
Cooking.
Thank you. This you can cook anything you want to cook over here. This is the magical place where you can cook whatever you want to cook. Everything that you need to cook is over there or over here.
Okay.
That's what you're gonna do. So every time we come over here, when you cook, you can cook anything you want to cook.
Oh, there's the egg.
Oh, that's the egg? Oh, okay, he got the egg. He came over here to get the egg, y'all.
Is there really an egg? What is that?
Look. Kids' imaginations.
I have no idea what that is.
They can imagine anything. And you don't get it twisted. Everybody can, but the things that the kids imagine is just,
I didn't know what it was because I couldn't see it.
it's amazing. It's amazing.
Alright, the green beans are down. I need a plate.
What the chicken looking like over there? What the chicken looking like over there?
Good.
Oh, the chicken looking good? Okay. Kyron, how my potato salad coming? Don't forget you got to put potatoes in it. You need onions and celery. You need relish up in there. I need some eggs up in there.
Alright.
And mayonnaise.
Okay. Alright, there we go.
Put a little bit of lemon pepper in there too, Kyron. Sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper and pepper up in there too, okay? Oh, all right. These kids is something. I love this. I love my babies. This is
Alright.
the day in the life of Auntee C. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn on them notifications so every time your girl sit there and put up a video, you be ready. See y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.